So kwesinye isikhathi kuyokwenzeka ke bakubuze iangeli, okay? Engeyona iangeli yakhiwa ulayini and your x-axis. Bavele bakufune nje angle made by two lines, okay? Ahlangana probably somewhere up there, okay? So this is more of a tricky example, okay? But again ngakhathazeki sizoyibuka njengamanje, okay? Sizoyibuka njengamanje, okay? So uma ngabe bekubuza le example ke guys enje la khona bekubuze nje i-angle made by two distinct lines, okay? So the first thing you'll need, number one, understand a concept yama vertical opposite angles. The concept yani yama vertical opposite angles. So in other words, to find ilunduzane, to find the angle made by uline about 2. Okay, so into yokuqala efanele uyenze fanele nje uvele extend uline bakho kancane, okay? Extend uline bakho nje kancane like that. Kancane like that, okay? And then emva lapho bese udweba i-Cartesian plane yakho, okay? Udwebe ini? I-Cartesian plane yakho ezodlula kulela point la behlangana khona. All right? Okay, cool. So Cartesian plane yakho encane nje lapha phezulu, okay? And then first things first ke manje uzonotice ukuthi ke once wenze njalo uzonotice ukuthi basically uzoba nesimo la khona uzoba ne-angle of inclination made by uline yokuqala. So for example asibuke nje uline DC. So line DC i-angle yakho of inclination kuba ileya angle leya iyonke. Sengicathe ibona sonke. So now horizontal wethu i-angle of inclination ayenzayo kuba ileyana nje yonke. Bese kuthi ulontuzane uline AD yena angle of inclination ayenzayo yena with this horizontal ile yokusuka la siza la. Okay, ile yokusuka la siza la. So in other words ile nje ela. Okay, ile nje ela. Right. So ngicela mhlambe siyabona ke manje ukuthi ke mhlambe ke uma ngabe mhlambe let's say maybe angle of inclination made by UD mhlambe maybe u150 ngimzekeliso. Kuukuthi angle of inclination eyenziwe uDA mhlambe yakhe u50. I'm just making an example. Cathi yabona le angle elana ke la phakathi. Le ela phakathi le, this one here, okay? Izolingana noba no 150 lo 150 lo la sisusa u50 lo owenziwe untuzana uDA with horizontal wakhe. Xa mhlambe siyabona ke should siyothola 100. And then when it comes to your vertical opposite angles, again, sakhumbula ukuthi ke vertical opposite angles are angles made by two lines ngenhla nangezansi okanye ka left naka right. So we've got uline DA, we've got uline DC. So basically uline DC i-angle ayenza nalomunye uline laphana ngenhla yile. And then ikhona futhi enye angle ayenza ngezansi futhi uline DA no DC iyiphi yile. So therefore this angle here and this angle here are said to be vertical opposite angles. So therefore leya angle leyana ke esingayithola ngokuthi sithi angle of inclination yalo mkhulu minus angle inclination yalo mncane izolingana nale angle abanjani abayifunayo guys, abayifunayo. So basically to get leya angle ke those are the steps you need to do. You need to calculate angle of inclination made by the other line, which is the bigger angle of inclination. Best to total angle of inclination made by the other line, which is going to be the small inclination. Best to start le nkulu minus le ncane kuzobe kuyileya angle ezolingana nale angle abanjani abayifunayo. Okay, so I hope I did make sense laphayana, and therefore we're ready to start. Okay, so I guess siqale ngayo i-angle of inclination ka DC. Okay, so angle of inclination yethu ka DC iyona soqala ngayo ke basically. All right, so sithi ke tan theta, okay, is equals to ini i-gradient yethu. All right, and then tan theta is equals to i-gradient yethu basinikezile batshela ukuthi ubani u-1. So tan theta is equals to a -1, and therefore second function tan of -1, okay, then probably sothola bani 135 degrees. Okay, sothola bani 135 degrees. Okay, so siyazi ukuthi ukusuka la siya laphayana kubani ku 135 degrees. Or so okay, sesinaye ku 135 degrees, which is ukusuka nje la siya ngale. Okay, right, and then sesibuka ke a angle of inclination made by uline AD. Okay, therefore theta made by line AD. All right, sisibala yena ke manje. So tan theta is equal to gradient 40, right? And therefore tan theta will be equal to gradient yethu basinikezile la u3 asidinga ukuyibala u3, okay. And then emva lapho we're gonna go shift tan of 3 and then sithole bani utheta wethu, so shift of tan of 3, right? And then sithole utheta wethu oluzolingana nobani no 71,57 degrees, okay. And therefore sesiyazi le angle le lana ke is equal to 71,57. So to get our angle there laphana le AUD, so sike 135 sisusa bani sisusa u71,57 degrees, okay. All right, cool. So I do challenge you guys ukuthi ke le nje mesiqeda nizame lapha emakhaya just to see ukuthi iyazwakala yini na, okay. So therefore after subtracting the two, the difference is therefore equals to ubani u63,43 guys. This is all ukuthi same sithi leya minus le kwasekusala leyana ubani u63,43 ezolingana nale kuphi nale la ngezansi, okay. Ngasho ukuthi therefore, okay, u-angle D wethu ulingana nobani ulingana no 63,43 degrees, okay. So I hope ukuzwakeleke guys. Uma bengazwakalanga, you can rewind the video, restart it up until uzuyibambe le concept, okay. So you're basically in a nutshell, uma ukuthi bakufuna angle of inclination made by ulana abawu2 abahlanganayo, angle of inclination of the other line, angle of inclination of the other line, busubona angle of inclination enkulu from yona minus encane. Therefore that will be the angle made by those two respective lines, okay. So without wasting any time, just move like example